On April 27th, 1791, Samuel Morse was born. Now, he will develop in the 1830s what we know today as Morse Code, which is the primary language used in the electronic telegraph. And it's the telegraph that would revolutionize the newspaper here in Sacramento. Sacramento, beginning in October 1861, will be the western terminus of a transcontinental telegraph connecting California with the rest of the United States. So for today, I have typeset in 36-point Cheltenham bold italic the name of our city, which is Sacramento, in Morse code.